In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford Escape fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The power distribution box in the 2019 Ford Escape houses fuses and relays for critical electrical systems, including the engine, lights, and cooling fans. It helps protect these circuits from overloads and short circuits, ensuring reliable vehicle performance. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The passenger compartment fuse panel in the 2019 Ford Escape contains fuses for essential interior systems such as the audio system, power windows, and interior lights. It protects against electrical faults, ensuring reliable operation of these components. Accessing it is easy for maintenance or fuse replacement. Luggage compartment fuse panel. The luggage compartment fuse panel in the 2019 Ford Escape manages fuses for rear electrical components, such as rear lights and power outlets. It protects these circuits from overloads and allows for easy maintenance access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2019 Ford Escape fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.